Welcome, dear friends. Today I would like to introduce to you the 6 elements of biodynamic breathwork as well as our supporting concepts that we work with in this course. The first and the most important element is breath. We use the breath to activate as well as resource and bring the energy activation down in our physical body. The type of breathing we're using is called connected breath, conscious connected breath. And it's used in through the nose and out through the mouth. Sometimes we can breathe in and out through the mouth to bring even faster and more powerful activation in our physical body. So breath is used to activate the energetic body and to elevate the energetic charge in our physical body. And it looks something like this. So the inhalation is half a circle, exhalation is another half a circle. Throughout the session, I will be guiding you to breathe in this connected way. The second element we're working with is the element of movement. When we begin to breathe in this deep, full, connected way, our body begins to charge with energy. Our body converts the oxygen that we take in with our breath into energetic charge. So the breath that we are breathing in is turning into the movement as we're continuing to breathe deeper and deeper throughout the session. The movement we're using is called unwinding or undulating movement. The concept of this movement that it's coming from the core of our body, it's coming from the inside and radiating itself towards the periphery. We're focusing on unlocking deep core tension within our physical body, and that tension is actually converts into the movement that we release throughout the session. The next element we're working with is the element of touch. We will be bringing touch in the form of self-body work. At times the body work will be deeper and other times it will be more superficial just to resource your experience and bring the activation down. The next element we will be working with is the element of sound. If you are bringing the element of breath, movement, touch together, you are creating a recipe for opening. The sound is the next element in this recipe for opening. Sounds creates the opening from the core. It opens our expression center in our throat as well as our jaw and mouth. The vibration of sound is super beneficial for the work that we're doing. The next element is emotional expression. The element of breath, movement, touch, sound come together, create the recipe for opening our emotional charge that's stuck in the physical tension in our physical body. So when this physical tension begins to unlock, the emotions that are stored in that tension come up to the surface. Therefore, we address this expression in a form of conscious emotional expression. The next and final element we will be working with is the element of meditation. At the end of each session, I will guide you into a short period of time where you are able to just be and fully reflect on your experience without attaching any meaning to it. In addition to 6 elements of biodynamic breathwork, we have supporting principles. And the main supporting principle we're working with is principle of felt sense. Felt sense is a very important part in the work with our body and somatic trauma release. It gives us a possibility to be present to our physical experience without attaching any meaning to it. We are basically identifying the felt sensations in our physical body and tracking these felt sensations. As we do that, they lead us deeper and deeper into a deeper layers of opening of our physicality. In addition to felt sense, we work with principles of resource. Resource is a very important part in our work because it gives us an ability to feel safe within our physical body during our practice. And the resource is a place within your physical body which you can identify as a place of safety, connection, and comfort feeling sensations. The next principle we're working with is pendulation, as if pendulum of the clock moving between left and right. We'll be moving between activation and coming to our resource for rest. So with the breath, movement, expression, we will be creating an opening in the body, sustaining that activation for a limited period of time, and then shifting away from this activation into identifying and resting in the place of a resource within your physicality. These are the elements, when they come together, they support a deeper opening through your experience and a safe practice.